Boys, we out here in New York City, back again with another video. This time, we not in Dubai, we out here in New York. Now listen up, today's vlog, you know, we got some jewelry, we got my brother here holding the camera, we got a Maroli.
This is the classic. This is a double quick set. It's like the Tony Soprano one. This one I do pay 15,000.
What's the Dubai special?
I gotta take care of my people also. Can't overpay you on the train and fuck someone else over on the next deal. For real, it's a crazy fucking deal.
Leave it for later, leave it for later. We're gonna show you like negotiations with Moses. If you guys know Moses out here, you know, in the Diamond District, like legendary shit out here. We're gonna have a fun vlog. We'll talk a little bit about our newest pre-funded program. I don't even know if you guys can hear me with all this noise over there. Show them over there. It's like Saturday, 11 p.m. This city never dies, man. This city never sleeps. But yeah, you know what? I need to start doing meetups with you guys, you know? Start going to cities in the States, Miami, New York, shit like that. Wait till we get the new year, we'll have a crazy community with that shit, you alright?
Yo, brother, show us what we got here, man. We already got clothes with some fire pictures and videos.
Got thinking of models.
It's only looking crazy out here, man.
Now what we gonna do is dance? ¿Qué hacemos? ¿Bailar o qué?
Hey. Yeah, let's see how you do under pressure. Oh. Yeah, I've been wanting this shit forever. I've been in the field with whatever they throw at me. Brush it off, pick myself up, moving on to the better. Okay. Hey. Yeah. Ain't no errors, baby, it's a new era. I wake up early, feeling rich like I'm Kesha. I get to the paper, boy. Extra, extra.
This is the classic. This is a double quick set. It's like the Tony Soprano one, they call this.
Which year is this?
This is gonna be like 1990s. This was the ball swatch back then. In the 90s, 80s, 90s, this was the ball swatch. How much for this one? I do pay 15,000 on this one. Very cheap. This is the Friday special.
This is the Friday special. What's the Dubai special?
15,500. No, I'm talking.
This looks nice. What other options we got?
This is single quick set, a little bit older, but you got the diamond dial. Sorry, diamond bezel. I like the classic one also because it's a very unique, cool dial.
14.8 just to close it on the Habibi deal. That's it.
Yeah.
14 is the cheapest double quick you can
Really
find,
is,
guaranteed. Wholesaler costing me 15.5 when I need them. That's what I'm getting. That's what I'm getting.
We post these online for like around 16,000 for double quicks. Single quick, you're gonna be like,
Damn, 16th, 14th. It moves. I do want you to take have a chain. I bought it from Toronto. I want you to have a look at it.
it's nice, no, it's nice.
Good one, right?
It's done well, yeah.
How many grams is on this?
104.3.
5K true, because I've already given you that at like a wholesale price. I'm gonna sell this chain for maybe 6,500.
That's it? Well, the other one's 6,500. It's not even close. Which one? The quality, you know? I don't think it's even close.
There's more gold weight here.
Really?
Look, the scale doesn't lie, player. I don't get up for my lunch also, but I show you just because I know. 116 grams, 104 grams. There's more gold here. For me,
How much you think I bought this for?
You probably paid 11 G's, 12 G's, because they're clapping out there. Tell the jeweler salamat.
This guy.
How much you need to be at? 6K trade that makes you happy? That's my bet.
I'm at 7. I'm at 7.
I know, I'm looking for 6K.
Let's look at 7 and 14.8 for this one.
I made a mistake. I started low with this, so now there's no room for you on that because of me. We could have given you more room if I would have started higher.
6,300.
6,300?
Yeah. Because that's going to put us 14.8, 63. That'll put us at 85 difference.
85.
Like the pain that you feel. Did he say that about you? He's on the jury.
Yeah. It's a nice piece.
Oh, I got the box for you. Later, man.
You have one?
With the green dye.
Yeah,
36?
36 Linda, I have 41 rose
Do you think?
chocolate. I have a bunch, but I'm bringing it to New York.
That's fine.
That's
Yeah,
just
Auto-
where I'm from.
Yo, you
I mean, we're all 7, usually you're at 8, so they do it for how much do you love that extra $1,000? Oh no, that's all it's about.
Done, you sold that Air King black?
This is a dope piece too. Just a little bit small. Oh, you bro, good.
Vintage shit though. You gotta be okay with like having some imperfections, shit like that. Like it's nice, bro. I wasn't born.
Talk to me, sir.
So you said this? Can I add in how much more?
We're giving you 6,300 here. We're telling you this 14,800.
Bring out the calculator, man. Bring out the
85. Look at the 85.
Let's make it 8. Moses, Habibi. Let's make it 8. Let's get that shit done. No flipping. We keep it halal. 8,000. Done. But it's a nice piece. I believe you can sell it for more. I believe it.
I gotta take care of my people also. Just like I'm taking care of you on this date. I can't overpay you on the trade and fuck someone else over on the next deal.
I'm pretty sure this one can sell for high. It's a nice shit. You can go check the detail, the cut, all that stuff.
This
I mean, you know more.
This moves a lot quicker than this.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Look how many. I have one of this in stock. I have a lot of bust down chains in stock.
Of course.
You know?
I mean, it's just they dig. I get it.
And I think there's more room on this now also compared to like
I'll be honest.
Pull the trigger, bro.
I'm firm at 85.
Came all the way from Dubai.
I love you. I'm firm at 85. That's why I'm taking care of you. It's not like I'm not taking care of you. There's a reason I'm firm. It's not worth it for me. Props.
Alright, let's mazal it.
Enjoy it. For real, it's a crazy fucking deal. Salam and mazal.
you got bored of this? You weren't feeling it anymore?
Salam and shalom.
Oh wow.
Salam and shalom.
That's my Moroccan brother right here.
Yeah, it was
Got
good.
another Moroccan.
What's going on?
Where you from? My grandfather, Casablanca.
OG.
Casablanca.
Reppin'.
Yes, please.
Let me size this for you also. I want to make sure it fits.
I think it's size already.
Does it fit?
Yeah.
Oh shit.
These ones are a little smaller, so
perfect.
Yeah.
It's perfect. It's meant to be.
It was meant to be, huh?
Honestly, bro, you understand? Okay. Which crypto you use?
BTC, USDT, whatever.
Preference of crypto?
USDT. USDT ERC.
ERC, alright, let me see. Alright, done. Let's do it.
Good. It's like a 3.
Paparazzi.
That was good. 5'8". 5'4". Laptop. Let's get this done. I think I might have to tighten it a little bit more.
You want to take my link out? It's like right there. I saw it also. It's like right there. It might. I'll take it out for you. Tell me. It might be too tight though. Well, let's try.
You gotta find the sweet spot.
I want my stuff tight also.
This thing gone?
Gone. It's all good. You have fun with it.
Yeah, exactly. That's what it's for. You have fun. I promise you, this piece now is like something you're gonna have for probably a long time. Whatever you do want to sell, you're gonna
Prices there are crazy.
Yeah, it's more expensive though.
Yeah. New York prices are nice.
Cool, we're chilling, man. Next time you want to train, you gotta come here.
You know what it is, bro? So just like with this, basically.
Alright, hold on. What can 15 grand get you out here?
So I want to explain. So this deal right now, we didn't make any money. We're gonna make money when we sell this. That's where the profit is, you know. So we just bought this from you, basically. Our business is buying. The better we buy, the better we're able to sell. We beat the market. You know what I mean? People try. People think that it's just about selling. 15 or what? On a Cuban chain or a bus down? Let's see.
Check it out. And we'll be back to you in a moment.
Try to close it. I don't want to pinch your
Dynasty right here, this family.
Good.
That's
good?
It's good. That's definitely blessed.
Is that class open up right?
Like easily. I like that. I got it from my dad who's still around. Like 4 years old.
Sure.
Bucks and papers. You got bucks and papers.
No, not papers.
That's it. Listen, you dealt with the best one here. I want you to for real.
Where's the other man?
They're like, what I watch you. I think been hijacked for a month. They're like, it's like the system.
Where is that? We sell it.
That's it.
No, I know. I thought it was natural diamonds.
Or you can just put like a.
Can't pay this price for that.
What do you mean? Isn't it VS?
It doesn't matter. It's lab diamonds. I don't deal lab.
Not last time, bro.
It is. I'm putting in the fluorescence right now. There's not one fluorescence.
1 second. Then I'm gonna loop it. Yes.
I apologize. This one's not working. I apologize.
Bro, it's not 15,000 for live. That's crazy.
I was gonna say. I don't know what the fuck people is charging.
1 second. I throw this in my garbage. It's no good.
Done. Yeah, the other one gotta get thrown out.
You know what? I keep the batteries.
He works here now.
I apologize.
No, this is not good. That's why I brought this
I
one.
apologize.
But I want to ask you about
If not, we'll test it anyway.
small one.
Gold? Like solid gold?
Like something small, simple. Not too crazy.
Just a link I'm putting here underneath. That's here. Okay.
Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, but before I go, I want to show you a few more big hitters that I actually got right here. Some bigger watches, some better watches. What you saw us buying there was just light work for my younger brother. I want to show you, you know, the big stack. But I also want to talk about what we actually do and how you can get involved with it. So let me show you this first actually. So one of my grails, one of my favorite watches is the Royal Oak Rose Gold. You can see right there. This is one of my favorite watches. Very expensive, but hey, it's amazing. One of my other favorite watches, again, a rose gold chocolate day. I mean, just classic. I mean, you could kind of see I do like rose gold quite a bit, right? That's the theme here. This is like one of the ones that we purchased in New York. So this one is a day date with a green dial, but a 36. So this is a vintage watch actually, kind of similar to the one you just saw us purchase. I also bought it from New York as well, and love it. And then we got a couple of flashy ones. You know, we got the Cartier with the diamonds. We got a classic Panda. We got a bunch of stuff here. We got AP. Let's not forget the steel AP. Let's not forget that. We got a few things in here. But how did I get all of this stuff? How can you possibly get all of this stuff? And I don't know what kind of situation you're in life, but if you have money, you've been working for years, you got money saved up for investments, you got all kinds of stuff, you got a crypto portfolio. One of the things we actually use ourselves to grow our money is automated trading. So we created an extremely powerful trading algorithm that literally takes your capital and grows it hands off. Basically, my team sets up everything for you. All you gotta do is basically copy our portfolios that we actually run on our accounts. From there, you'll be able to actually see your account grow over time. You'll see trades being taken, trades being closed by our trading algorithm. It's absolutely amazing. And of course, I have other videos on my YouTube channel about this kind of stuff. If you could go back all the way to 2021, 2022. We've been in the automated trading space for a very long time. But I feel like before, until right now in 2025, it was still a bit too technical for most people. But today we've made it accessible to anybody that has money and has an investment portfolio that they want to grow and want to diversify by basically having a new asset class. You could call it AI powered trading, right? Whatever you want to call it. And as the world moves towards a path that is more AI powered, that is more AI based, that is more autonomous and automated, you're seeing it happen in real time. It's just like, are you going to be early to it or are you going to be a late adopter? And I believe the early adopters always win. So if you want to learn more about this, click the link down below, and yeah, I'll see you inside.